Hello Inventor. So I'm working on this game with MIT App Inventor. So I can see the word count and enter word and check. So these letters, 5 letters we have. So we have to make some word using all these letters. So you can increase the letters. So I have just used here only 5. So let me just make some words. So using this letter like A, P, P, L and then E. Okay, apple. So let me just check this one is working fine. Apple and then check. Good job. Word count is 1. Now let me make some more words. So A, then P, then P. It's an app. So let me just check. This one is check. App. Good job. And word count is 2. If I just make suppose AP, something is word is AP called, I think check. Wrong word, nothing. Word count is 2. So you can increase the letters and you can create this game. I'm still working on this game. Let me know and let me just suggest some more things how we can make this more interactive or how we can add more features in this game. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.